Welcome to Crypto Tech Viewers. Every day we are reviewing Bitcoin price in multiple time frames and in multiple trading systems and making an educated price prediction for the next day after analyzing global markets data and Bitcoin options open interest data. Let us begin the video for today. We clearly called out yesterday that the Bitcoin range may be a bit higher for today. We told that it's going to trade between 28,000 to 31,000. That worked out. However, we couldn't predict such a good rally in the Bitcoin. So it formed a head and shoulders pattern in the 1 hourly chart. So this is a head and this is a left shoulder, this is a right shoulder. The moment it's able to take about this particular candle's high, and it rallied really nicely. At least up, it went up to 30,700 800 level, up to 784. So that's almost 30,800 level, but the 31,000 will continue to be a strong resistance for some more time. So yeah, so it went up to here, the resistance level. Right, in the 4 hourly chart we can clearly see that it's able to hold above the 50 period moving average comfortably now. Right, it broke above the 50 period moving average with a leader candle, a strong good volume, a candle with good volume. And there was a little bit of swing today in intraday, so but still it is holding up a 50 period moving average. Right, in the 1 day chart it's trying to go near to the 20 volume weighted average price. So we will wait and see whether it is going to touch it, or we may consolidate even before that. So I'm expecting that the price may will continue to struggle around 31k, but by the time it struggles here, and the moving average will come back and touch it actually. That's my expectation. If we review the Bitcoin along with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, in Bitcoin has done really well when compared to the other two. See the yesterday's price action for S&P 500. It was this candle actually. This is a indecisive candle actually. So with a doji and with a negative bias, right? But see the Bitcoin actually, it has a good rally. Start right from the opening, it was keep rallying and then it closed about here, right? So when compared to Nasdaq also, like it put a inverted doji pattern actually. So but this is also not up to Bitcoin level. Bitcoin performed really well when compared to these two, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, for yesterday, right? So it is more resilient than other two markets. So far that is a good news for Bitcoin, but let's wait and watch whether that can continue to hold like this, right? We will analyze other technical pictures for Bitcoin. um, for Camarilla pivot point, we saw that it was breaking below this particular trend line yesterday. It was struggling around here when we were recording the video. So now what it has done is that it went back and retested this particular trend line. But obviously 31,000 is going to be continue to be a pretty decent resistance actually for Bitcoin in for next 3 days also. That's what my expectation is. So for the whole weekend, it should consolidate around here. So it won't go down drastically as well. It won't go up drastically as well. It should consolidate. That's my expectation. Let's see whether this expectation will work out or not. Right. So, but it made another attempt to break above the pivot point. That's the thing which we need to highlight here. Right. It made another attempt. Right. So, but this attempt also failed. But so it went below back, and this fall was brutal. Quick fall actually. This fall from here to here, it just happened in within a few minutes actually. So the quick fall happened actually. Right, so now it's consolidating around here. This consolidation to continue if there are no fresh global bad news or no fresh global sell-off tonight happening in Nasdaq. If that is happening, then it will certainly hold. But I'm not seeing it is a Bitcoin crossing about 31k in a hurried manner actually. It will consolidate for some more time before if at all that is going to happen. So as for, for now, if it is not breaking below 28,000, we should be happy, right? See the couple of weeks back, this is this fall was super brutal, and we were all like under a little bit of a panic, because the altcoins were all went for severe sell off. Such a panic happened in the whole crypto industry, but for now it is holding around this level is at least far more better than cracking faster. So for now it is holding around here, I'm expecting it to hold for some more time as well. Yeah. So if we could review the anchored VWAP, that's a very pretty interesting observation which we made. So yesterday when we were seeing, it was broken below this level. Um, we thought that it has to beat this particular candle. That's what we were telling yesterday. So because this was a temporary temporary leader candle, and now this leader candle is taken out by this leader candle actually. So this volume, see this candle's volume is comparatively far better than this volume, right? So this is for now is a leader candle for us, for me at least, right? So and this low will be taken seriously, right? This later candles low will be taken seriously. So anything below this will invite a shot, but obviously I'm expecting a strong support to be coming around 28,000. Even if it falls below 28,000, will be holding it for now actually, right? So because of this two VWAP two standard deviation and lot more other factors supporting this in a 28,000 hypothesis, so it will continue to be holding for now. So as first for now, this VWAP itself is going to be a strong support actually. 29,600 will be a strong support, and this candle is low again. Another support will be coming in. So if those two are broken, then 28,000 will be the next level of strong support. And obviously there is a swing low here. There will be intermediate support coming around this level. But 28,000 will be a strong support. Right. So if we could review the Fibonacci series EMA ribbon, we can clearly see it's trading below almost, this is 233, 144, 89, 55. So it is trading near 55, but it's not able to beat above 55. It went a little bit above 55 once, but it's now consolidated and then went and touched the EMA and then consolidate around 55 EMA level, right? So stochastic have a crossover like this, and that's what carried the market actually. So this cycle, stochastic cycle, I call it a cycle. So this cycle carry the Bitcoin and then gave some kind of a momentum when compared to the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, and then it pushed for the prices up to around here. So but it's making a pause at the moment, so it will take cues from the global markets again to make a further move. But at the moment, 31,000 will continue to be a pretty decent resistance for now, right? So if we could review the weekly chart of Bitcoin, so it is still continue to trade within this support band, but one good thing is it's trying to form a wick now actually. So it went up to here, it's now trading around, consolidating. So if this is continuing, that is a far better sign for. So if we could review the Bitcoin options open interest data for 21st May, we can clearly see 29,000 itself is going to be a strong support for tomorrow, right? So 30,000 looks to be a little got a more call than the puts, but so it might go little below 30,000. But I'm expecting that this 30,000 it will just go up and down. 31,000 is going to be a strong resistance, and the 29,000 is going to be a strong support, and it should revolve around within this small range, 2,000 points range. Yes, that's the expectation. Thanks all for watching. See you all in the video tomorrow.